Hi everyone, welcome to my oasis. I'm going to do a quick tutorial using MDS on how to create this cute effect on as feathers for your owls using punches. So the first thing you need to do is create your own background paper, which I did using the scallop edge punch, and then I just added different colors in the same family throughout the layers, and then added dimension by adding shadow to it. Once that's done, I actually added a page and created my background with clouds and tree, and then the coloring tool so that I could have fall colors. Like I used yellows and reds and oranges on it. Then once that's done, I actually had to save it by if you do project and share, and then you can actually export it to a JPEG file. So of course it's not showing because my computer is slow. It has too much stuff on its brain right now and it's not working the way I want it to work. So then once that's done, what you need to do is add the third page, and that is where I created my design. So I simply added a photo box, and then in the photo box I filled it with this tree picture here as the background, and I moved it out of the way so that I would only have a portion of it and put it on an angle. And then I added a shape, the punch shape of an owl. So by doing that here, I'll show you how I did it. Oops. So once you add your owl, you will use the photo fill here instead of using the plain color or paper fill. So by doing that, then I double click on it. Sorry, I lied. I actually use the photo fill button, and then I will go to where my pictures were saved before. So page 1 is where I have all my scallops, and then it's going to appear very weirdly like this. Now you double click on it and you zoom in, and by doing that, then all you have to do is just position it wherever you want it, or whichever color group you want, right? So once that's done, you click OK, and you have your owl, like so. To do the little orange paws, you will need to copy and paste in place, and then using the crop tool, you will actually just highlight the bottom portion of your punch. And then once that's in place, I'm doing it fast right now. You can be a little bit more careful than I am right now. You will use the color fill tool, and you will select the color orange or yellow or whatever floats your boat to make a difference between the feathers and the actual legs of the bird. Here you go. So I could have been a bit more careful when I cropped it, but that's basically how you do it. And then if I send it to the back, I can actually select the top one and add shadow, because that's the full image of it, right? And then I'll send it to the back again, and I will have to group those two together and be able to move them onto my picture where I wanted them. So I did the same thing. Once that was done, I again exported it to a JPEG, shared my project to a JPEG, and using again the photo box, I created 3 photo boxes, and I just added the picture from that middle page here, and I just moved it one more to the right, the other one to the left, zoomed in, zoomed out. So you just have, or basically all you need to do is just have fun and go with it. I need to clarify that this is not my original idea. This was first done by Heather Summers, I think probably a few years ago. She did a cute owl card, and that's where I got the idea. So thank you, Heather, and thank you for stopping by.